Welcome to our Selmo Academy tutorial video series. In this video, we will focus on the manual Cross Interlock Check function and show you how it ensures safe manual operation of your equipment. Manual operation on machines allows the operator to perform certain functions and movements manually. This is particularly useful when performing maintenance, setting up for specific tasks, or troubleshooting. However, it is extremely important that the operator is very careful when doing so, as they have full responsibility for controlling the machine and must minimize safety hazards. The MXIC function is a crucial safety mechanism in manual operation. It prevents potential operating errors and ensures that certain manual movements can only be performed under defined conditions. By linking manual functions to their associated zones, it determines which zones must be active for a hand movement to be executed. This ensures that each hand movement is performed in a safe environment. This is decisive in critical applications to avoid dangerous situations. When an attempt is made to execute a locked hand movement, it is automatically blocked. At the same time, the human-machine interface displays why the movement cannot be executed. This serves the safety of the operator and prevents potential risks. The MXIC function thus offers an effective way of making manual operation of machines safer and preventing possible operating errors. In the next video, we will show you the CMZ function.